So if line 17 is set to anything, right? If the person with that ID on line 12 posts, right, it will run the stuff inside. On line 17, it has for example, if the number that is randomly generated is below 45, then it does that. The thing below it. Else it does
rain that?
Anyway. Right,
I'm gonna murder you.
What?
I'm going to fucking murder you.
What? Do you think you discovered it, Dave?
I fucking decided to go in there and check what the fuck it says. Because I know how to copy a damn link manually.
Oh, I thought it was a bit advanced for you.
Link?
Yeah. Here's the thing, Ruby.
What is this fucking YouTube link?
Right now, the random chance is high, but as he said, he's gonna lower the chance after the first test.
Yeah. Ruby, are you ready to use it? Bot is up and running. Let me just double check something.
I'm checking all of these fucking things.
And yep, that's the correct version. Don't worry, Dave can't use it yet. I hope. That just gives you the info in the bot. I'll just make sure. You might note that NUffle bot can no longer be invited because it's using specific channel IDs. So we don't want somebody to go for it to join someone's server so they can constantly nuke your server.
Right.
Although, like we said, if I do that custom channel ID thing, then you can. Well, is Dave writing exterminatus and we're testing that now?
Might as well test it.
I'll let you have the honors, Ruby.
Yeah, Ruby, you go first. That way we know if it's going to work.
What is the thing?
Right, exclamation mark exterminatus. Let's see if there's any help file. Yes, there is. Delete a million messages in the chat room.
Yeah.
Yay.
Oh, I'm gonna fucking kill you. I knew it!
Try again.
Yeah, I know. Meow Mix, I know, it's both the meteorological videos and the Meow Mix one.
And a few others. There's a chance. It's a fun thing.
There's a chance for exterminatus, but also a...
Well, 90% chance you'll get a meme.
I see. And 10% for exterminatus?
Yeah.
Yeah. Later on, it's gonna be changed to a lower percentage, though, isn't it?
Oh, we got it! I got it! Well done, Ruby, you got it! You're supposed to read the lines.
God Emperor. Me. Uh-oh, what the hell? Has declared exterminatus upon the world of Cringetopia. The God Emperor hereby signs the death warrant of an entire world and consigns 1 million posts to oblivion.
Yeah, we got to...
Cringetopia is still there. Oh, Nuke Me is gone.
Yeah. And then it posts that little post. This is the one...
You fucking nuked me.
Yeah, at least 1 million posts.
So you just took the start of Cringetopia and fucking just copied it over?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good idea, actually.
So, Cringetopia does not currently get attacked. I can't set that. Well, you just copy an ID over it.
I think it might have been because you did it too soon. NuffleBot wasn't finished nuking the nuke me. That could be why.
Oh no, he just set it to do the different one.
Alright, so if I run the command, I'm just gonna call it from here because I'm lazy like that. Right, so when admins run the command, they get 100% chance of it working. So if you're on the grant list, it's 100% chance. There's none of this for memes for them because they've got a job to do.
Dystopia stands.
And the script is slightly different. Also, there's about a 10-second delay between each message, so that way you get a chance to read it. Do you like the gifts, though?
Let's say what?
The gifts in the general shot that's from the exterminatus.
I like them.
Yeah, it nuked, when I did it and when you did it, nuked both, what was it? For one of us, crafts, I think. That was empty.
Crafts is already empty. I'm pretty sure no one's ever posted anything in it.
I can nuke Cringetopia right now if you want. I would have to restart the line, but it's easy enough. Did somebody just try and run the exterminatus there? Anyway, Gull has a special one. Gull can use it, but he gets a special message, but it's not this. He can't nuke it, but he gets a special message. Because he asked.
What is his special message?
Well, if he's running the command right now, you'll find out. I mean, technically, you've got the code there, Ruby. You can check it out. But it uses
Wait,
oh, you got the code.
out.
Yeah, you can check out the code, see what happens when you runs it. All you have to do is find out whose ID's whose.
Text of text. Where'd the text chat go?
Anything with a wait
Oh,
dot
fuck.
send. But chid dot send will send it to a specific chat room. Right, I'll run exterminatus now. Ruby, are you ready to read the lines? Also, by the way, is that one for the one when you use it? Is that? Do you think that's 40k enough, or do you think it needs modified? I was going to run it past you, but I wanted to keep it a surprise. The one when you run the command.
The God Emperor.
The God
Ruby.
Emperor.
Yeah.
That's fair.
Yeah.
Oh Lord.
Also, I was trying to find a ship.
Still stands.
Yeah. I can
Cringetopia.
Well, I can
Cringetopia broke before the guard. That doesn't make sense now.
Hold on. Channel ID was bought. Blah blah blah. Cringetopia. Do you want me to nuke actual Cringetopia?
Go ahead and see if you can
Can
actually.
you just target it?
I can target it. Yeah. I can target any chat room. I just need its
Okay.
ID.
All right. You just need its ID. Fucking goddamn 40k right there. Yeah, this planet can be nuked. Just give me its ID.
I've got his ID.
It's funny. Goal says Cringetopia stands.
Oh yeah.
Did you? Oh.
Yeah. Where the yeah, that's in general. Alright, Ruby, are you ready to read the lines that come out of this?
No, I will attempt to.
Okay, I'm going to make sure I've got correct recording up. And go.
And we're going Cringetopia. Whoa, that came fast. We have arrived, and it is now that we perform our charge. In fealty of the God Emperor, Ruby, our undying lord, and by the grace of the Golden Throne, I declare exterminatus on the imperial world of Cringetopia. The insane lord hereby signs the death warrant to the entire world, and consigns 1,000,000 hosts to oblivion. Gold shouts it will hold.
We'll see. It might not, who knows. It might actually nuke the wrong one. It nuked the wrong one, damn it!
It nuked the fucking one!
Sorry, that's probably my targeting system.
Yeah, it said Cringetopia, which means it figured it's nuking the right one.
Or maybe Dave
Yeah,
used his
nuking
powers
right.
to change the targeting. He quickly swapped the planet out.
My God succeeds once more.
Imagine
Yeah,
if
we
this
just
was a...
nuked a server twice. I love the little additional fucking shit that it adds.
Yeah, the Emperor is
Oh,
pleased.
yeah, that's
Oh, an
awesome.
error code.
An error code?
Yeah.
Wait, Dave using it pops up an error code?
Dave use it?
Ooh.
I
Dave
used
tried
it
to.
just now.
No,
Wanna
apparently
try
popped an
again?
error code.
Here, are you watching the code?
Yeah. Yeah, it pops up an error code.
So I can't use it.
Luckily enough, it's none of my shit that causes it.
Yeah.
Context object has no attribution to say. Interesting.
What's that?
Oh, it's probably just some. It'd be to do with how I've typed it. But. Excellent. Why did it not nuke the correct chat room? Ah, I know why.
Okay. Why?
I changed the wrong ID. I changed the ID for live streaming. So if you used live right now, it's put in Cringetopia. I'm gonna keep it like that probably.
Okay, that's funny.
I mean, you can't blame me. A lot of the code looks the same.
I don't blame you. It's fucking funny, is what it is.
Go down one to exterminatus now. Channel ID is that. Copy ID. Double check this is the correct one now. Exterminatus. Okay, I'm going to see why it didn't work for Dave. So if ID equals nope, it should. Is that? Wait, CTXA. It should work. How the fuck's it not working? Is this some line of code that should fucks around?
Let me
with it?
try going online and see what it does. Because that might be it there, too.
No, it's the code itself because it's just popping up an error. On the bright side, it's not crashing.
Yeah.
As long as it's not crashing NUffleBot, then at least it's not the worst
Oops.
ever.
Oh great, now I've got to shut down my computer when it comes to that. Oh well.
Not for long, it will hold.
Let's save this. Right, code saved. It's now targeting Cringetopia. I'm gonna double check it is by recopying the ID over. Yeah, it's targeting to get it there. I closed the terminal, which means I can't kill the terminal, which means it's still running old code. Right. And the annoying thing is to fix it, you've got to kind of shut down your computer, or at least log out. I don't know why.
So you'll have to restart entirely in order to fix it?
Yes, Visual Studio. Close.
Okay, I'll be back in a second.
Let's see what Google says. Also, I'm looking at code. There should be no error for why Dave can't use it. Maybe if I change that.
I wonder what this will do. Oh, I just typed in exterminatus and then tagged it with Ruby's name.
Oh, that wouldn't do anything really. It does not
I
look for
know.
any variable after.
Yeah, but you know, it was fun doing it.
Yeah. There. Hopefully that will fix it. Because what it's doing is checking if ID is in the list, the second list, then it posts that message. It'd be good if Guld's one would work, but I don't know if you've done it yet.
Here, let's
Guld
go
should
ahead
be
and
able
get
to.
Gold to do.
Guld should be able to. But it would also be interesting to see if it comes up the same error. Because it's not hard to test those things, you just use your own ID. But that was funny, that it targeted Nuke me again.
I just messaged Gold to use it. Doesn't do it for Gold. Or did he misspell it?
Maybe misspell it.
He misspelled it.
Nope, that's the chat room ID. I think he misspelled. I don't know how to spell exterminatus properly. I just kept using Google.
To be honest, all you have to do is copy and paste it from
I'm back.
mine. I did it without the quotation mark, so you should be able to copy and paste.
That's an annoying thing about some websites. It's the accept all cookies things. Oh, look. Yeah, that's what
Like-
happens when Gull uses it. We got a special message.
I recommended too.
Calm down, motherfucker.
So Ruby can always grant Gull access to their command.
I don't know how to.
You really
Oh,
want
wait,
to
just
though.
make it.
Or you can
Also,
always leave it like that.
I can't just. Is that just if anyone who's not a mod uses it?
No, if anybody's a mod
Or is that
uses
specific to
it,
Go?
let's have a look. What happens? I forgot. That is exterminatus. Oh, aye, it says they're a heretic.
Okay.
I mean, that's all, I did ask you if you want that changed to say something else. But it puts their name and then it's a heretic.
Ah.
Also, I think you missed it when you used it, Ruby, because what happens is it posts in the chat room that it's getting nuked. Burn it with fire first.
I did indeed miss that then.
Yeah. I'm still trying to figure out how to kill this command line. Because once you close it, you can't kill it. It's a pain in the ass. Oh, so look, Visual Studio Code, 5 things are running. Aha, found it. Is this the correct thing? Kill it. Nope, that's really not the right thing, but we'll find out now. I've got to wait to see if NUffle bot dies. If NUffle bot does, then it kind of means that code's closed. No JavaScript. Why is JavaScript running? Oh dear. OBS, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, runtime.
Oh, is he really?
Oh no, that means it's dead. Yay, I can reopen the bot now.
Yeah.
Because if that didn't work when you used it, then that means the terminal's actually closed.
So it takes a while for the bot to close out.
Yeah, well, when you close the bot, it takes a while for Discord to notice.
Ah. And probably gets worse the more popular the bot is too.
Probably. So now if I run it, NUffle should run up without any errors until Dave uses it. The correct chat room is targeted. Good, good.
Well, even when I'm not trying to troll, I troll. How's that possible?
Oh, Ruby's typing something.
Saying something to Go.
Right.
I just watched an idiot in an elevator light his beer on fire. And probably his clothes too.
Oh no.
Now that I'm
no,
looking
wait,
at it.
There go. Right.
He locked himself in an elevator on fire.
Right. It should now work. Hopefully.
Alright, let me try it.
So Cringetopia should now be wiped. Hopefully. Unless I wiped the wrong one again. Wish your bets. Once the planet nuke happens, that's when it wipes it. It's
Shit.
wiped!
It's done.
There, Ruby's pleased now.
Yes, I am. And Dave's
Throw up the error again.
And Dave's right now going to fill this back up with all the cringe.
I tried it again and still doesn't seem like it's working.
Yeah, it still errors out for you. It's okay, because that was only in place till, you know, till it was shown off. And then you were allowed to use it, so Copy this code. Over to comma space paste. What are you bitching for? You're an integer, you should bitch. Integers can't bitch.
You're an integer, you shouldn't bitch.
Right, so an integer is a number or a string of numbers, Ruby.
I
Right?
know what an integer is, Owen. I just never have heard that.
Right,
I've just never
Python,
heard
you
someone
just
say
paste
that before.
you just start typing in numbers, it automatically knows it's an integer. Right now, it's a bunch of numbers and it's bitching.
Yeah, I'm going to see if Nobu would be willing to try the command, see what pops up.
Okay,
If
I
Ryan
found
tries
out
it.
why I pressed dot and
Ryan
not
doesn't
comma.
have admin status.
I know, that's why I want to have him try it.
Yeah, that makes sense. Let's see if Ryan can do it.
Oh, like previously.
If we're going to test it,
Oh,
if we're
we've got
going
to
to
test
test
it
it,
thoroughly.
let's test it.
But every time, oh, did you see what happens below the planet destroying GIF? It does say something else.
My
May
imperial
imperial justice
came
count in
to
all
null
balance. The Emperor
protects.
protects.
I felt that has to go after the nuke. I mean, I've never played 40k, but I assume.
I mean, yeah, that's.
It fits. It definitely fits. I'm not sure if Nebu's going to be trying it. He's streaming on. Oh, he's not streaming anymore. Never mind.
But the live command, the new one should work too. It should detect certain users and then post it in there. So everybody but Ruby gets get an at here notification. Ruby gets an at everyone because it's his Discord.
Say what? Wait, when I do it, everyone gets an at?
Yeah, everyone gets notified when you use the live command. But when like if I use it, it just notifies people who are
Okay.
online.
For some reason, my brain thought it was the exterminatus command. I was like, wait, what?
I mean, I could notify everybody exterminatus is happening.
I'm pretty sure everyone, when they have fucking 20 messages in their chat, yeah, they'll absolutely.
Also, let's see. If I go, maybe Nuke Me might be a good one to test it in. I would use Cringe-topia, but I guess I could use cursed images. Cursed images would work. Because you can delete.
It's got a couple.
Yeah, you can delete a number of messages with exclamation mark C space and then a number. Or if you leave it blank, it deletes 5.
You still will be able to... Oh no, it's the same thing that I post afterwards. Never mind. Here. There you go.
C space. That's 4 messages. It's the 4. It should delete 4 messages. It delete 5. Yay! It mathed.
Hit math.
Alright, we can delete. I can delete Nuke Me now. Delete channel. Because it was only there whilst the.
That one worked for me. I was able to get rid of that message it NuffleBot posted.
Yeah. It doesn't. I don't think it matters about who posts it right now. I mean, there's no check and post. It just deletes all messages within the select one. Oh wait, that message that NuffleBot's posted here isn't there, so you can post whatever you want now.
Yeah, I used the clear command for one message and it cleared that one out.
Yeah.
So that works for me.
Yeah, it might work for everyone. I need to check. It's a powerful command because even if you're not, because it ignores mod because it's a bot that does it. So the bot's deleting the messages.
Yeah.
Okay, no, it's okay. Use it.
It actually could be more powerful than exterminatus because it doesn't leave a trace afterwards too.
Yeah, that's true. By default, it deletes 5 messages if you just type exclamation mark C. But
yeah, but if you do something like exclamation mark 1000,
it'll delete 1,000.
there goes 1000.
Yeah. Yeah, and then it should post an Iron Man probably. Because you know the. I don't think Nubu's seen that. He is online, but I don't think he's seen it.
I just found him.
Oh, there he is.
They were under the pillows.
Ah, damn it! I keep typing that. That. Oh wait, Ruby's saving it. Now, if this works correctly, it shouldn't error out, but we'll see.
Okay. Yeah, it worked. So, I'm the only one that errors out on it, looks like.
Well, not now. You should be able to use it because you're no longer in that cancellation list.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Right.
The thing is, it doesn't tell you posts it, does it?
Oh shit, it doesn't.
So all Ruby knows is, okay, it's done this, so it's one of the mods. Else it would play Ruby strict.
actually, Cringetopia is completely empty, so it should be able to post it afterwards.
Yeah.
We'll get confirmation.
I think Ruby's just very pleased with the Emperor is pleased section that comes up after.
I am.
Yeah. Okay. So you were able to fix the error. Excellent.
Well, no, the error occurred for some unknown reason, but right now it's just doing what it does for me, because there's an authorized list and an unauthorized list. So if you're not authorized, then it does that thing. It errors out somehow. Now I've got to.
But it's funny. It targeted Nuke Me a couple of times. Now it's just targeting Cringetopia, even though nobody targeted it directly.
Yeah, you can't target them just now. I mean, I could probably implement the targeting, but I don't think Ruby would want that.
I think we're good for now.
Because
Yeah.
then it can be used on any chat.
Cringetopia itself isn't one that it's a good idea to clear it out every now and again, just because what's posted there.
I mean, I probably could set up cursed images and then have it set up in a way of selection. But that might be a bad idea.
Man attacks victim with a jar of salsa at 7-Eleven and steals a Choco Taco.
I can just see someone playing a game of D&D on here and then targeting the D&D chat room once they lose. So there's no evidence of them ever losing except messages.
Yeah, that'd be unless you put a protected class within it for the different channels within the server,
Yeah, I could probably do that.
and have it so that only way that one can be deleted is by Ruby and Ruby alone.
Hmm. Although the clear message is a lot easier for that.
Yeah.
But the live command, if you go up, there's like 3 different posts all to do with the same thing now. Well, I wasn't too. Is the spacing between the posts decent, do you think, or do you think that needs extended? There's 10 seconds per post, so there's a first section, and then it posts the God Emperor and so on. Oh wait, no, it does tell you posted, doesn't it? Because let's have a look. Scroll. Yeah, it does. Because it says Dave hereby signs a death warrant, and it says I hereby sign death warrant. And
Yeah.
So it does kind of tell you who posts it. That would be interesting. I just thought imagine if I could get it set up in an Alexa. Then Ruby might accidentally say exterminatus and Alexa will nuke his server. Probably be too hard to set up, I think.